Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Sopari. Hope you're doing great. And if you're watching this video, you might be checking out the Givvy videos app and wondering if it's legit. Let's find out if you can really make money from watching videos or not. And guys, by any chance, if you're really interested in my preferred way to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home just by making use of your computer and internet connection, then please check the first link in the description. And also please stick to this video till the end. Why? Because I'm about to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. If an ordinary Indian person like me who can build systems, why can't you do? Now let's get started. Givvy is a massive online application company that makes games and other applications. Their video watching app has over 5 million downloads on the Google Play Store, and you can download it for absolutely free, and you'll need an Android device to use it as it's not available on iOS. The app has a simple interface. You can choose videos and watch YouTube videos over there. Every time you watch a video, you'll earn Givvy coins. These coins add up as you use the application, but they don't represent actual money. The real money comes from watching advertisements, which Givvy shows you to make money. They give you a small portion of the income they earn from their advertisements. When you watch any ad on Givvy app, it pops up randomly, and this can be annoying, especially if you are using the application for a long time. You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal, crypto platforms like Binance and Coinbase, Amazon gift cards, and other methods. But the big question is now is, how much money can you make? You need to understand the conversion rate. 10,000 Givvy coins is equal to 1 cent. As you watch videos and advertisements, you will accumulate a lot of points, but these points don't translate to a lot of money because you are only paid for watching advertisements. The more time you spend on the application, the more ads you'll watch and the more points you'll earn. However, spending hours on the application will only earn you a few cents here and there. And Givvy can't pay you a lot of money, and they don't like to pay out much for video ads. So you'll only make a few cents per hour. Overall, if you enjoy watching videos and advertisements, this app might be fun, but don't expect to make a lot of money. There are better ways to make money online. So if you're looking for a way to make real money, check out my free masterclass by clicking the link down below, and I'll share my favorite strategy to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home. And as a promise, I would also like to give you a bonus. But before, just imagine guys, if an ordinary Indian person like me who can sit at home and make money in dollars just by creating these kinds of automated systems as you can see on the screen, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? As you can see on the screen, in courses section, there are 4 different programs, and this complete bundle I'm about to give you for absolutely free. And this bundle will be helping you out to create your own online business. All right, so don't miss this opportunity. And to grab this, either you need to become a member or you need to visit the first link in the description. So I'm about to give this complete bundle for only to my first 100 members who join my community. So as you can see on the screen, head over to the URL, click on join as a member and become a part of my community and access this complete bundle for absolutely free. Alright guys, so don't miss this opportunity, and this is for only limited 100 members. There are around 73 slots left, so I request you to please take action and be a part of my community and get this complete bonus for absolutely free. And if you are newly watching this video for the first time, I request you to please do subscribe. I guess it might be shining, and also hit that notification bell so that you won't be missing any next notifications from mine, and also it would be motivating me to create new content for you. If you like to try out my own strategy, please visit the first link in the description. We'll meet you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.